So the Bella 4-quart air fryer, the fan was making a lot of noise, and all you have to do is to lubricate the shaft. So I used a Q-tip soaked with olive oil, and I just pressed it against the bearing there. Air fryer sounds normal. The fan is not making that hurricane noise. Woo, 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 woo. That kind of noise. So, yeah. You can try lubricating the fan motor shaft if it has that noise for you. So to gain access to lubricate the fan, you start by pulling off the rubber feet here, and then that exposes the screw, all four of them. So you take them out, then you take this part out and loosens a whole bunch of screws on the inside. Then you can drop this fan housing here lower enough for you to access the fan motor shaft underneath this metal piece here, and you just lubricate it. I use olive oil because this is a food cooking machine, so you don't want to put WD-40 or other kind of 3-in-1 oil or whatever. Otherwise, you'd have to replace the fan motor altogether. So by just lubricating it, it's working. So I'm not going to replace the motor, which costs like $30 or $40, about the price of a new air fryer. Well, actually, you have to unscrew the fan first. There's a nut here, and this is the socket that I have. This is like a 7mm. So okay, so you turn the nut clockwise to loosen. It's the opposite of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Turn it clockwise to loosen the nut, and then there's a couple of washers there. There's a lock washer and then a regular washer. And after you do that, carefully put the nut aside, and you can pull this piece down a little. So what I did was I stick a piece of cotton swab and some olive oil, and I lubricated the bearing of the motor. So the white arrow points to the part where you have to lubricate. Just put a drop or two of olive oil in there and it should work. So I wish I had taken a video, before I put it back together, because I wasn't sure if it was going to work. But after I lubricated the bearing, it worked again. I don't know how long it'll stay quiet, but at least it is working for now. So when you tighten the screw, you turn it counterclockwise to tighten the screw here. Okay, this holds the fan together. And then after that, you put the unit back together. You see the whole bunch of screws here. I'm sure I'm missing some of the screws in putting it back into the right spot. But I tested it and it works fine now. There's no rumbling noise. So that's the nut and the washer, and there's a lock washer. So make sure you put all those back to keep the fan blade in place.